It is a redfish. Oh my God, look at the size of him. Where's your net? Looks good to me. Whoa, there it is. Whatever it is. Big. That was the same thing, I think. Feels jack-like. Oh, it's a jack, yeah. Maybe that's what my first one was. It came out of the water for it. He's a good one. That's what it was. All right, we got the skunk off the boat. Wear him out just for 1 second more so he doesn't go too crazy. All right, got beautiful yellow fins. That's a good profile shot, thank you. Those will drive you crazy. Whoa, whoa, that's a good fish.
What is that? Is that a freaking shark?
I don't know. Sure made a wake when he hit.
I mean, if it's a redfish, it's a
You
giant.
might want to get through this cut, so do you want me to drive the boat? Oh, he's going the other way now. Whoa, he's going towards the troller. I'm trying to get you up in there. Might be a snook. Oh. Whoa, he's way up in there now. Maybe if you get your rod down, come back this way with the boat. You want me to drive the boat?
Yeah.
What's the best way to get the thing from you? Oh yeah, he's fighting like a snook. Does it come off easy? Just get it over. Take it easy with him. I think you got him kind of beat. Oh no, is he still there? He's still there. He's still there. You see it? You got your leader's right there. You can't even tell what it is. Right out there, yeah. Now you got him out there. Be easy on the drag because, you know, you might have frayed up something in that bush. Whoa.
It had a big head like a shark almost.
Oh, I see a big fin. I haven't caught sharks on those lures. Whoa.
Is that a redfish?
Is that a redfish? It's a monster if it is. Holy mackerel. It is a redfish. Oh my God, look at the size of him. Where's your net?
Right in here.
Oh my God. I told you there could be a redfish in. Look what happened.
Right behind you.
There he is. Here, wait, let me get it deployed. Whoops. helpful if I did it right. I'm just gonna forget about that part. Alright. Oh my god, that's a huge redfish. Good job. Oh my god. That was a great fish. He was fighting like a redfish because he went into the mangroves. Way to go. Way to pry him out.
Let's see if I can get that lure off.
Oh my god, it's like that is a shark-sized redfish. If I've ever seen one.
When he came up, I saw his head.
Oh my god. We don't have redfish that big in the Indian River. Oh my god. My god. Look at the belly on that thing. Yeah, he's a hair over, there's 27 and a half.
27 and a half, okay.
A little hair over 27 and a half. Yeah. But man, that thing's fat. He's got to be ready, don't you think? Yeah. All right. Let's just grab the tail to make sure. Yeah, he's not that. He's swimming away good. Woo! Great job. It might not have hit any barnacles, which is the key. Must be living right. There's a bite. I got one. Come on. Just get me towards the side. Oh, now he's coming out here. Oh, no, I'm good. I'm good. I think it's better if I stay here. Could be a jack. He's running all around. But maybe not. Oh no, it's a nice one. That's Snook. He's pretty good. He looks good. Looks good to me. Not bad for like the second cast. All right, thank you. Nice. Thank you. Looks to be slot.
So, yeah.
If not over.
32.
Okay. Oh yeah, he didn't want me. He felt that tap on his tail. Time to go. All right, how many minutes did I shoot? 9 minutes. Been here. That's good. Oh, told you it's good. Got him? Get him. Whoa. Got him away from that piling. Whoa, he's big. Sounds big. Whoa, he's throwing down. Whoa, look at him jumping. All right, nice. This might be your PB. Whoa, he's thick. Where is it? I can grab him with my hand.
Okay.
Which side is he coming? This side. We think this side. All right. Keep his head down. He might not be done. All right, Mitch, you're done. You're done now. I don't know. I got ab strength to get him up. Good job. I told you that was a good cast. All right. Good job, Rob. Nice.
Back about to 0 line.
It's at least to that line.
Says about 30, 33 and a half.
Yeah. Fat one. Alright. You got a great redfish and a great snook.
Mm-hmm.
Guess you want to go back to that structure. Oh boy. Alright. Get him. Nice. That looks like a tarpon.